Hello. Welcome to a Getting Started video. Today, we cover D&B Hoovers. We'll go over how to access D&B Hoovers, what information is in it, and different ways to use it for business research, company analysis, customized reports, lists. Let's get started. Go to the Purdue Library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. D&B Hoovers is on the list. D&B Hoovers is a global database of over 500 million companies produced by Dun & Bradstreet, a leading business analytics firm. Information about public companies includes financial statements, ratios, filings, corporate structure, and more. Information about private companies can vary. You can build customized company reports. In addition to company information, D&B Hoovers includes business news. It also allows you to build business-to-business prospect lists. This is the D&B Hoovers homepage. There are different ways to interact with the database, but we'll start with its primary use for company analysis. Go to the search box at the top right side of the page. Let's do a company search for Eli Lilly. You might need to choose between company subsidiaries, branches, etc. The company summary gives an overview, but you can use the left side menu to navigate to different areas of the D&B Hoovers report about Eli Lilly. For example, company history. Corporate family gives an overview of the company's subsidiaries and overall structure. There's also a SWOT analysis and news. Under the Advanced area on the left side menu, you can navigate to 3 interrelated lists about Eli Lilly's competition. There are a few analyst reports that provide third-party insights about company performance. For public companies like Eli Lilly, regulatory disclosure documents are available like annual reports to shareholders and other SEC filings. Under the Financials area on the left side menu, you can navigate to standardized financial reports for public companies. It is important to note that is typically not possible with private companies because there is minimal to no disclosure incentive. Similarly, segment information and ratios are available for public companies. In any section of a company report, there can be options for printing and downloading information. To download a report, you'll need to customize it to include the sections you're interested in. The easiest way to create a customized report is to return to the company summary. Then select Report Builder One Stop. A dialog box appears where you can then select your customized report options. Now let's return to the D&B Hoovers homepage and build a business-to-business prospect list. You can do this using 3 closely interrelated options. In this video, we'll demonstrate with Find Contacts. We'll look for managers, supervisors. Whose job function is any type of marketing executive? We want only marketing executives in Indiana. Working for aerospace and defense entities. Let's view the results. You can download the list, although if it's a long list, Download limits imposed by D&B Hoovers might be in place. Now you know how to access D&B Hoovers, what information is in it, and different ways to use it for business research, company analysis, customized reports, lists. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at paralib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.